Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 6 Secure Boot error. So let's start. For the first method, press the Windows key plus R and type in this command and press enter. After that, in the window that pops up, make sure to confirm that the red box below is enabled. If it is, proceed to the next step. However, if it shows TPM cannot be found, please contact the motherboard brand and inquire about their corresponding methods to enable TPM. Now, before enabling Secure Boot, you must ensure that your drive uses the GPT partition style. Follow the steps below to check whether the disk is MBR or GPT. So right-click Start menu and run Disk Management. After that, right-click the System Disk Properties. Now go to the Volume tab. After that, next to the partition style, you'll see either master boot record, which is MBR, or GUID partition table, which is GPT. If it is a GPT disk, you can skip the converting process and start enabling Secure Boot. For the MBR disk, Windows 10 and 11 offers the official MBR2 GPT.exe utility to convert it to GPT. So here's how to do it. Make sure to click Start menu and enter CMD. After that, make sure to run the command prompt as an administrator. Now check your disk compatibility with the command. Run this command. After that, if validation passes, run the following command. Once the process complete, make sure to restart your PC. After that, you will be able to switch to UEFI mode and enable Secure Boot and TPM in BIOS. So here's how. First of all, make sure to enter BIOS/UEFI setup. So restart your computer and press the key shown during boot, either Del F2 or F10 depending on your motherboard. Now enable UEFI mode in settings/advanced/Windows OS configuration. After you enable that, you will see a Secure Boot option. Make sure to enable it as well. Now go to settings/security/trust computing. First, enable security device support and AMD FTPM switch option will be available, which means TPM is enabled. So save and exit. After that, make sure to restart the PC. Now in order to confirm whether Secure Boot and TPM are enabled, make sure to follow these steps. For the Secure Boot, make sure to press Windows plus R on your keyboard and enter this command. If you find Secure Boot state shown on, it means Secure Boot is enabled. Now for TPM, press Windows plus R on your keyboard and enter this command. If it shows the information as following, it means TPM is enabled successfully. And that's it. Hope all the steps solved your issue. If you found it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.